Welcome back, you guys. We got another box opening today. As you can see, it's DKNY. This is actually a gift from one of my subscribers. And he got it from Macy's US. They're very simple, sleek mules. And they're lug sole mules.
Wow.
I've done a video previously and I had Alexander Wang's, and this is an exact lug sole style they've carried. Yep, not big of a heel. It's just 2.5 inches the max. Let's try them on.
So like lug soles for boots are very common, but on sandals, oh, that's hard. How's the cushioning and stuff?
It has a really nice cushioning under the heel and somewhat under the ball as well. So
I think the strap is also very
soft, yeah.
Very soft and fluffy.
Yeah, it's not very soft, but it's soft. Let's walk it.
Pose. Shows those soles. Wow. Wow.
I should say DKNY on top of the strap instead of underneath.
Yeah,
They're very bare bones.
can we see that? Yeah, when I saw these, I'm like, they should have written it on top of the strap. Would have been really cool.
Maybe I can chop the apple with this.
Yeah, literally.
I can soften it up for you.
Did we get the print on it?
You can. You see, got a couple of squares. I didn't push it too hard though.
Yeah, I saw the
Center.
that flower.
Better?
Yeah.
It looks like it's a Louis Vuitton apple.
Oh yeah, they have the similar kind of sign. Those are lethal.
And that's it.
So how's
The good. They're comfortable. There's such a little heel to even feel it.
But you know, the Alexander Wang, they were wobbly, or were they?
Yeah, well, there's barely any heel to feel the wobble.
But even the smaller ones were.
Yeah, I mean, I need to move faster to check them out. We'll check it on the road or outside. So we'll continue the video out.
Okay.